Good PM, ngayon po ay Monday, March 17, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, March 17, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 17, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, March 17, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for March 17, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for Monday, March 17, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.